Alright, before we start building our application, we need Claude Code installed. I have already summarized the entire process on this screen, scattered between these 5 steps. So let's move through it pretty quickly. Most of you are probably not here for a long installation tutorial. You are here to learn Claude and build something. So let's get everything set up pretty quick and then we can jump right away into the project. But first, let's quickly verify that node.js is installed on your machine. Open a terminal and run these 2 commands. You should see a version number. If it is not there, that means it is not installed on your machine. You simply go here, node.js.org, and you download from here. Now, once you have Node.js installed, you can move it to step 2. Pretty simple. Just use this command and you will be able to install the Claude Code. This usually takes less than a minute. Once installation is complete, you can check it like that. This will indicate that Claude is installed on your machine, and very first time all you have to do, just type Claude. Now what I will do, I'm actually going to use this demo mode. Okay, one thing I want to add, if you don't already have a Claude account, create one first. And depending on when you are watching this video, you might need to paid Claude plan to use Claude Code. So I'm not going to spend time on pricing because that changes over the time. I just wanted to mention it before we continue. One thing that confused me for the first time when I used Claude Code is the authentication step. So there are the 2 steps involved. You have to first go and create the Claude account. Once you have that, on the terminal, once you are inside the Claude very first time, you might have to explicitly use your account to link. And once you will able to do that, it is going to ask this option. You use option 1 and then it is going to ask you to open this URL in browser, which you should copy it and put in the browser. Once your account is already created, it is going to link you and you click on authorize. It will give this authentication code. This is very important. You copy this code, you come back here and you paste it here and then hit enter. Now you can just, after the login successful, maybe you can just type hi and see if it is able to respond you. Pretty good. So now you are connected. Setup process is actually pretty straightforward. No complicated configuration, no API keys, no environment variable. Install it, sign it, verify it's working, and you are ready to go. At this point, Claude Code is installed. We are authenticated and we are ready for the fun part. Let's create our project and see what Claude can actually do.